Lenny, I heard that you have a news for me.
Yes, boss. May I take a day off on Friday, 13th of May 2011 at 7 to 10 p.m.?
What for?
There will be one great event presented by Indonesian Student Association in Ghent. Located in Duthmanel Stage Hall, Hoveniusberg 24, Ghent. And I don't want to miss it.
Seems wonderful.
Yeah. It is a perfect time to experience the richness of Indonesian culture through beautiful traditional dances and traditional music show.
I should also mark on my agenda. How about the entrance ticket?
The ticket price is quite cheap. Pre-sale ticket is only €4 and €5 if we book a door.
Okay. Please announce that everybody in this office will go to watch Sounds of Heritage event. All ticket will be paid by me as the boss.
Thank you, boss. Look forward to it.